हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल लर्न विथ नंदिता। आज हम इंग्लिश अल्फ़ाबेट्स सीखेंगे, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। ए बी सी डी ई एफ जी एच आई जे के एल एम एन O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. A for apple, as, X, ant, arm. B for boy, bag, baby, ball, bread. C for cat, car, cap, cow, cup. D for dog, deer, doll, duck, dove. E for eagle, eye, egg, ear, elephant. F for fish, fox, fan, frog, flag. G for girl, gun, goat, glass, grapes. H for hen, hut, hat, house, horse. I for ice cream, ill, iron, igloo, ink pot. J for joker, jar, jug, jeep, jacket. K for king, key, kid, kite, knife. L for lion, lip, lamp, lock, lotus. M for mobile, map, man, mango, monkey. N for nurse, nib, note, nest, nose. O for owl, ox, oil, onion, orange. P for parrot, pen, pig, pizza, pencil. Q for queen, quill, quilt, quail, quick. R for rose, rat, ring, ribbon, rabbit. S for swan, soap, shoe, sheep, ship. T for tiger, tap, toy, taxi, tree. U for umbrella, urn, ugly, unity, uncle. V for van, vase, vest, violin, vegetables. W for watch, wool, wolf, walker, washing machine. X for Xmas tree, X-ray, Xerox, Zebek, xylophone. Y for yak, yarn, yoke, yo-yo, yet. Z for zebra, zip, zoo, zero, zigzag. Thanks for watching the video. वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल देन कीप लर्निंग।